Hello and welcome to our podcast on how to invest wisely. Investing can be an intimidating topic for many people, but it doesn't have to be. With the right information and strategies, you can make smart investment decisions that help you achieve your financial goals. In this podcast, we'll cover the basics of investing, common pitfalls to avoid, and tips for making wise investment decisions. Part 1: Understanding the basics of investing. Before you start investing, it's important to understand the basics. At its core, investing involves putting your money into assets with the expectation of earning a return. These assets can include stocks, bonds, real estate, and other financial instruments. One key concept to understand is the risk-return trade-off. Essentially, the more risk you take on, the higher the potential reward. However, higher risk also means a greater chance of losing money. So, it's important to find the right balance between risk and reward based on your individual goals and risk tolerance. Another important consideration is diversification. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce your overall risk and increase your chances of success. This means investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets, rather than putting all your money into one investment. Part 2: Avoiding common pitfalls. There are a number of common mistakes that investors make, and avoiding these can help you achieve better results. One mistake is trying to time the market. It's impossible to predict the future direction of the market with certainty, so it's better to take a long-term approach to investing and focus on your overall goals. Another common mistake is letting emotions guide your investment decisions. It can be tempting to buy or sell based on fear, greed, or other emotions, but this can lead to poor decision-making. Instead, it's important to take a rational, data-driven approach and stick to your investment plan. Finally, it's important to be aware of fees and expenses associated with investing. High fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to choose low-cost investments and be mindful of any fees or commissions charged by brokers or advisors. Part 3: Tips for wise investing. So, how can you make wise investment decisions? Here are a few tips. Start with a plan. Before you start investing, think about your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. This will help you develop a plan that's tailored to your individual needs. Invest for the long term. Trying to time the market or chase short-term gains can be risky. Instead, focus on a long-term strategy that's designed to help you achieve your goals over time. Be disciplined. Once you have a plan in place, stick to it. Avoid the temptation to make emotional decisions or change your strategy based on short-term market movements. Diversify. As mentioned earlier, diversification can help reduce your overall risk and increase your chances of success. Make sure you have a mix of assets in your portfolio. Keep costs low. High fees and expenses can eat into your returns over time. Look for low-cost investments and be mindful of any fees or commissions charged by brokers or advisors. Investing can be a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals, but it's important to approach it with knowledge and care. By understanding the basics, avoiding common pitfalls, and following a few key tips, you can make wise investment decisions that help you build wealth over time. Thanks for listening, and happy investing.